Today I'm going to be showing you this. Print the following pattern. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. Let's get started. Define a function called print pattern and pattern number with the parameter. Call it whatever you want. I called it pattern number. Now do for num in range. Pattern number is what you might be thinking, although that's not correct. To make it easier access, instead of the person having to type in a number that is bigger than the number they want, 1 plus 1 bigger than the number they have to, for easier access, we could just type the end number that they want to stop at, and then they can convert it to the next number by doing pattern number plus 1. And now inside of this, we're going to put another for loop. For I in range num. Now we're going to print num. Although to make it look more like this, if we don't add, now we need to add something called the end. End equals nothing. The reason we want to do this is if we don't add the end, it'll look like this. And so on. We don't want that, so we're gonna put an end, which makes it and since we're putting nothing, not a white space, it's gonna look better if we don't add a white space. It's gonna look like this. Now, so that there's a blank line between every one of them, like maybe something like this, we are going to, outside of the second for loop, print \n. That stands for new line. Now let's run this. Oh, what's wrong here? Simple problem. We didn't call the function. I'm gonna do 5. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Let's try 9. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, and so on. It just doesn't look good if you try adding 2-digit numbers, so I would recommend only going up to 9. See you later. Bye.